It's not every day that you get to host the very special Christmas special. Christmas comes only once a year, but I've worked hard on the road as a roving reporter, and I've gotten used to being in studio, so I know I'm ready. Good evening, and this is our very special Christmas special. I'm very humbled to be... What? We have a very special show lined up just for you, and as the senior veteran host, it is my humblest of pleasures and honors to be presenting on this fortuitous occasion. I'm back, and what better way to terminate my leave than at Christmas? Oh, I remember stepping up to the camera and looking into the teleprompter. Wow, so good to be back. I missed it. What are you doing here? I know it must be hard for your brain to keep up with the AC working and it's so used to being outside in the sun. So let me say it again, but slowly. I'm back to host the very special Christmas special. Oh wow, Ronnie must be so cut up. He works so hard. Keep cool, baby. Keep cool. Wait, what? Stop the cameras. Stop the cameras. Keep the camera going. Me confused. Don't know if me stop. I press record. I had stayed back at the studio after calling the lucky draws, because you know lucky draws take place even though it's a holiday. So I stayed behind to offer Ronnie some support, but when I stood there and heard that man talk to Ronnie like that, I got so vexed. And the whole time I'm standing there, I just hoping that Ronnie would just ball up his face and thump him in his back. 2 times, just 2 times. Upsetting. 2 thump. That's all me did one game. I could tell the vagabond wanted to thump me. But if he had done it, I swear, I would have sued him from here all the way to Timbuktu. I mean, what was he going to do? Fight me on national TV? I'm the beloved senior veteran host, for crying out loud. I don't think so. You see, if Ronnie did thump him, me would I just lock off the camera, you know, and misplace the footage. Them thing they happen all the while, man. I've seen it all, you know. I've seen it all, you know. Yeah, as a sound recordist and pro listener, me can tell you this. When you have the sound, me just listen for it upon the script. If you're not upon the script, me not hear it, you understand? Because them man pay me for that. Yeah. Me know me work too hard on this little work to walk off just like that. So me make a deal. Look, it's Christmas. We're not supposed to be fighting. So, let's set our differences aside, alternate the cues, and co-host the show. Deal? No problem. No problem. I admit I was a little impressed. You know, I thought he was professional, but then I thought again and decided no. He was just weak. He won't last in this business. Christmas is a very busy time of the year. You need to travel, and when you do, you hope the base has a cab waiting for you. Take a look.
Boy, me late. Sorry. Late. Morning, Sean. Me late, girl. If I one day me know the boss gonna write me up, it's today. You good? Girl, me wake up late. Blinky pick me up late. Everything just late. In time, me not even done log in good and the phone a ring. Connect. Best taxi service ever. This is Bethany Bread Fresh. Or may I be of assistance? Caller. I'm needed to dial it back. When you're talking to me. Emergency? So that's why you're hollering at me like that, caller? Quite frankly, you could be heading back at the road on a combo day. Me nah go allow you to talk to me any kind of way. What's the location where you're headed? Caller. I'm hearing you, but are you hearing me? Caller? I'm sorry, there are no cabs available at this time. Have a best day. Inshan, what a way to start the Christmas shift. Best taxi service ever. This is Bethany Bread Fresh. Or may I be for say caller? May I beg you 20 seconds. Me reach work late. I'm not done get ready. May I beg you 20 seconds for just get ready and put up the wig. Stay on the line, please. Don't move. I come in, caller. I come in. Wait. Mercy. Stay on the line, caller. I'm still with you. Can't even put on the makeup this morning. Stay on the line, caller. Please. With a wig. Oh, God. I come in, caller. Don't move. I come in, caller. I come in. Stay on the line. Still with you. Caller, you can do a countdown. 20 seconds. 19. 18. 17. 16. I come in, caller. 15. 19. 18. Come in, caller. Sean. Tell her say I come in. Tell her, Sean, you need to come off of the text line at Christmas. You know, we need all hands on deck. Caller, don't move. I come in. Yes, caller. Thank you for holding. Best taxi service ever. This is Bethany Bread Fresh. How may I be of assistance? Caller? Best taxi service, hello? Best taxi service, hello? Look like we lost that one. Whew. Best taxi service ever. This is Bethany Bread Fresh. Or may I be a Shelby? Girl. From you find that new taxi man me can hear from you, eh? No, me have to wonder if you only know this number when you have man emergency. What now? Which two of them a fight and who gets stabbed? Shelby. What you said to me a while ago? Shelby, you're pregnant. Then me can't even ask you what the father, because I know you don't know goods. Shelby. No shelves. You need for hire Enid Plyton. Oh, you mean Shelby? To solve the great mystery who breed you? No shelves. Maury, nah take this. And Jerry Spinner worse can manage it. You need Ardem boys or Mancy Drew. Yeah. So we are going now. Oh, up at the main man. You gonna tell him? You're right, it's too early. Alright, stay on the line, Shelby. Let me get you a cab. Blinky. Wake up, man. At Christmas, you know. You don't have work to do. Listen to me now. Shelby there on a palace suiters. She a breed. And she need to go up at the main man so she can make some room for her up at the inn. Yes, the one up at DC Hotel. Don't Blinky, try hurry up. Shelby, know yourself, boobs. Blinky is on the way. Have a best day. Put Brett Brandon. You see when you see me on the phone with Shelby, don't look over here. You don't have work to do? No, you know what you need to do? You need to tell your papa to wake up and try bingo some of the Christmas work that you need to do. Nishan, I look over here like him lost him shadow. Best taxi service ever. This is Bethany Bread Fresh. How may I be of assistance? What's the location and where you headed? Shan, you have no chewing gum? Stay on the line, caller. Let me get you a cab. As I ambled the streets, I couldn't help but wait, stop, cut. I don't amble the streets. Who wrote this? I'm not saying that. You know what, it's fine. Let's go again. I'll make an adjustment. As our team of interns ambled the streets, they couldn't help but notice that this Christmas didn't have the same sort of swag it's had in recent times. And so they decided to ask you regular folks the question. See that? That's how it's pronounced, question. How are you celebrating Christmas? Take a look. Oh, wow. It's bright down here. Yeah, Miss Chin. 2 Lasco and 3 flash out. Yeah, me have a bag. Where's her? Christmas?
Christmas. Them something they still keep.
Christmas around 3 years now, I'm not hear peep from her. You know, Sister Corona have the whole place on the lock and key, my love. Let me tell you something. It's a Brogard freeway. And him loosen up like a curfew she, so you know, say at least one party have to keep.
No, man, the real meds, man. Me not see nothing like that go on. Me not see no pepper light, me not hear no sound and string up. Nothing at all. It's like from Corona forward, it's like the vibes just broke star, I swear.
In all my years as a citizen of the uppest of towns, Christmas has never been this bleak. When I say bleak, you know,
You them pocket empty, star. Empty. Right now, would all want carry my Empress go Devon House, go buy a cup or a scoop and John, it look like it's a next year thing that I swear.
it's true. I go to the front of the supermarket line, and when that little girl tell me my total, my car just scream out. Draw down one piece of crowd pon me. Hey, me don't even know what I'm gonna eat the day after. But me tell you something. Me done order my clothes from after she in, she out, and she they all about. So you know, say girl I go fleek. And me tell you something else too. You see my friend, Catherine, she go walk with her makeup trunk, and she go walk with her ring light, and she go thump down my face. Yeah. Right through. She go thump my face, go right to ground. Now watch how me look now. Follow my friend. War paint that M that U that A. Tell her who send you. Yeah.
A 6 month now, I'm in work, you know. 8 month. Staff cut. And I me get the first job. Jaja. Since them time, them have been searching and searching. Been searching ever since, but now we're not about. I mean, I hear such man say what them plan to do for the youths. Everything's scarce. Work scarce, food scarce, money scarce. My begs, I swear. Me see all the other day, combo lady keep a thing around the back of the road and I couldn't even forward. She called me and she said, Tugs, you know bother come. I just have to shake me eye and shake me head until I said, I can't come. Couldn't afford to come.
Yeah. Anyway, if you come from, I have to reach. Cause Christmas I have to keep. Yeah. And girl I got dolly down. Right through. Hey, when I reach at the party then, many even I go talk. Alone slow blink. Yeah. Many even I go talk to my eyelash them heavy. Mates look into my eye. Catch slow blink. Low and slow blink on them. Yeah. They were all staring They watched me as I asked for help to put back the 3rd bag of bread, the 2 large sodas, the 4th chicken, and the extra bottle of wine. I feel so shame. So Christmas? It's not Christmasing the way it used to. And alright, that's what the thing there. This not look like Christmas and it not feel like Christmas. Still and for all, we just go and try, give thanks. Nah do no wrongs. Nah grudge no man. Yeah, we just go and hold it. And wait until things take off the right way, is it? In these covidious times, we can't afford to live life. Yeah. Although, some of we can't afford to live it either. Miss Jane, why take so long when you can flash out, man? Tell me something. You going to show my face? Mask up, yeah.
Why you'd have to say that on camera? How else are you going to learn if you don't see the technique in action? Rookies. But you'd have to do it on camera to make me look small so people think me dunce. Well, aren't you? I can't do this. I quit.
Ronnie, where you going?
I can't do this anymore, Pris. Can't do it.
Ronnie, you can't leave. We won't let you. Ronnie, you were born to do this. Ronnie, we're rooting for you. We're all rooting for you.
You hear that? Christina root for me. Hold it, Ronnie, hold it.
I couldn't let him leave like that. What would I do?
Fine. Let him go. He's not fit for this business. Are we ready?
You. Shut up.
I beg your pardon, little miss.
Where were you this whole time? Where were you when Ronnie was the one going out on the road to do the roving report and filling in for you when nobody couldn't find you? And now you just want to pop up out of the blue? FYI, nobody likes you.
And you all feel this way? Very well.
It had to be said, so I said it. It's what the Honorable Robin Rihanna Fenty would do. Speak boldly, loud.
Well, the whole we hear that. Jaja, why she have to deal with him, sir? She mince him up, star, I swear. Hear it loud and clear. Me just wonder how much space left on the memory card right about now. You know?
Straight from Jamaica, it's 13thStreetPromotions.com. Providing great music and quality content from the Caribbean and beyond.
For a whole year, we've been blessed to have the support of King Eli, an emerging beatmaker who specializes in fusion music, and he's responsible for the soundtrack for our show. Tonight, he has a special announcement to make. Let's hear it. Happy Christmas, everybody. I'm here to premiere one of the tracks from my Christmas EP, Christmas Songs, and to announce that this EP will be available for your listening pleasure tomorrow. What I'm going to ask you to do, though, is when those tracks are released, Just record a 15-second video of yourself listening, vibing, dancing, reacting to the song, and send it to this channel's official email address so we can give you a shout out on our 12 days of Christmas rollout. Until then, this is the track Them Bells. Enjoy. Blessings to you. Thanks, King Eli. Sounds great. Can't wait to hear the EP. Well, that's all the time we have for... Before we go, there's something I'd like to say. After years of dedicated service to this team and to the studio, I've decided to move on to the next phase of my journey. In commemoration of these years of excellence, I've decided to prepare a tribute to myself, and I'll have them insert it into the program because I am the senior veteran host. Good evening, and welcome to a very special Christmas episode of Denny's What Is. I'm your host, the Jamaican actor boy. This is our very special Christmas episode. This is a Christmas episode because I'm in it, and because at the very end, I'll say a few sentences about Christmas to string things together. As this is a Christmas special, you'll get to see all the features of our show that you've come to know and love, such as crappy camera work, ludicrous lighting, and extremely bad editing. As that is all we need to do to successfully produce a Christmas special. Christmas, 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 Christmas. No, that is not the link you're looking for, but what I'm about to say next is. You see, Christmas is a time of the year when friends, family, and loved ones meet and greet and eat. Yazid, thanks to every single cast and crew member who made today's production a success. Very special thanks too to all those vehicles that drove through our studio as we tried to do the recording. And finally, a special thanks to you, our 1,000,001+ viewers who make each week a loving and enchanting experience. We do this just for you. As always, I'm your host, the Jamaican actor boy. Do stay tuned to this channel for more poorly produced content sugar-coated with effort. As I go, I'd just like to say thank you for all your support over the years. And to the youngsters coming up, the rookies, the upstarts, if you will, I'd just like you to know that this show won't be the same without me. I'm right. It aga be so much better with me. Me aga make that a point of my duty. Until then, have a happy holiday and good night. As I was saying, well, that's all the time we have for today. It's been an absolute pleasure bringing you our 4 Days for You Christmas rollout. We're still on our way to 1K subscribers, but I'm sure we'll get there when we do. On behalf of the entire production team, I'm Ronnie, the roving reporter. Have a happy holidays and see you next time.